Another day, another dilemma. Back on the help pony again. What this time? Stabilitrak. Stabilitrak. I don't know. Service Stabilitrak. Whatever that little notification is. It's coming up on it now. Intermittently coming up. It's causing some funny things when you're driving. When you're coming to a stop or turning corners and stuff. Only at slow speeds. I think the first time I've had to fix that. Not on that car, but on old cat-eye Silverado I had. And it was, well, kind of easy then. Gonna be easier, even easier now. What do we got? We got a front wheel speed sensor. And we got back wheel speed sensors. Two each, whatever. Here's your part numbers. These are the fronts. These are the rears. Those are part numbers for your 2010 Camaro. I don't know what else they fit. I just have a 2010. That's what we're gonna swap out. Should be pretty simple. Just gotta take these tires off. Well, I gotta take the wheels off. Leave the tires on the wheels. Take the wheels off. Should be pretty easy. Just pop and swap those out real quick. Oh, it's such a beautiful day outside, but I've got the garage doors all closed up. I don't know if you can hear that. I can hear it. Right on my back fence line, they're building a big retaining wall back there. So they got all kinds of trash going on back there. So I'm stuck in the garage today. It's like 65 degrees outside. It's nice. Anyways. Oh, you can see I got her all trimmed up. The little secret didn't happen. Story with that was I put in to be an extra on the upcoming Y1883 spinoff for Yellowstone. Didn't happen. Didn't get a call back. So I'll just say right now, all the people that I was mean to because I thought I was going to be a big star, I apologize. I'm just a little guy like you guys. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't mean anybody. I was just being facetious. Anyways, we're going to swap these lines. All it really is just a connector. You got a connector here that connects up in there somewhere, and you got this little sensor, probably just a little Hall's effect sensor. Just reads the magnet on the back of your wheel hub built in back there, just little magnets, I guess. And this reads how many times it flips past that little sensor. So we're gonna get those swapped out. I'll do this side, I'll show you, and then I'll do those side, and it'll be quick and easy. So let me get this thing jacked up, get those wheels off there, and we'll get set up. Get. I'll get this out of the way. You go there. Now, let's see. Here is our wheel speed sensor right here. Goes up in here, and where's the plug in at? Why wouldn't it? Inside there. Oh, here we go. Well, that unplugged pretty easy, didn't it? Well, that might have been a problem. And again, it might not have been a problem. Now we got to get this off back here. Ow! Hit my head. I don't know what that is. Probably 10. Ow! Hit my head again. Oh, let's see. Sockets. What you doing? Give me you. 10. And we just take this bolt off back here. I feel you. Get out of there. Come on. Unscrew it. Boop, 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 boop. And that's out. And this just unplugs. Boop. And that comes off of here. And this comes out of here. Like so. And that's all there is. Well, that's way easier than I thought it was going to be. Let's go get the new one. There. I'm about to fall over. Can't stand. And that goes there. Get in there. Get in there. This goes here. Oh my goodness. Whatever. Like so. And that goes up in there. And apparently that's how you plug it in. You just stick it in there. And this just goes back in here. Back in this hole. With this fastener. And this socket. Right there. See it? Right there. Boop. A little dark. Boom, boom, boom. Give me this. Put that back on. This is too easy. Snug it down. Put this back in here. Like so. There we get. This might be the hardest part. Putting this doohickey back in. There it goes. Like so. Boom. That's it. That's all for the front. Let's see. Yeah. That's weird. I don't know how that popped out like that. Hope that connector ring broke inside. And there's the other end. Throw in the trash. Alright, now put this wheel back on here. Oh, it works. Where to jack it? Right here, this a good spot. Ask yourself, why don't you use a jack stand? I don't want to. Now on to the back. And I got us some light just in case. So this one just connects right down here. Let's see if we can see it. Right there. Right there. See it? Right there. Right there. Connects there. And you can see zip tie, zip tie. Maybe some suspension rebuild. You know that this control arm here only has one spot in here for one of these tabs. The original one that came off of here had two right where they were supposed to be, so these don't really want to slide, so I just zip tied them and they're fine. And then we look back in here, we gotta pop this off, and that one just came out too. Well, these don't like to hang in there very good, do they? Anyways, this isn't ever like that. There's just a little tab you push, reach over here and you push down the tab and then pull it out. Pretty easy. In theory, I guess. Get this ratchet, Reach back here and feel. Make sure we're going the right way. There we go. And then we get this bad boy off here somewhere. And my son's going somewhere. Where? God dang it, hit my head one more freaking time. God dang. And we get this off. And here it comes. Right on out. Come on. Oh, get out of there. Stupid bolt. Here it comes. And there's the old one. Bolt. Trash. In with the new bolt. Boop. Into the hole. Wherever it went. There it is. Like so. Where's my ratchet? There it is. Flip it. Get on there. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh, I hate these ratchets. There we go. Oh my goodness. You're just wanting to spin me up today, aren't you? Get over there. Still got the original upper arm in it though. Oh look, I got my arms, my legs under there. Let's see me lose my legs today. She's tight. I thought she was. We're just rounding it off. This son of a bitch. There, it's tight. Tight. And we just run this back here. Like so. And it's gonna come back here. And then I'm just gonna zip tie it back. Put this in here. Get in there. Okay. I think it's locked now. I don't know why it was so difficult. Stupid thing. Now let's clip these off. Because I cannot use them. Get over here. And we're just going to zip tie them back where I had the other ones. Real easy. Clip. Clip. That's done. That is the passenger. No, it's the driver. That's the driver's side finish. Little tip for you. Just ran this on the passenger side. On the driver's side, there's a little plug right there to plug it back in. And it's pretty easy to get to. The passenger side, there's no room. You can't get, it's up under that red bracket thing right there. But check this out. Boom. Check this out. All right. You look up in here, this little panel just comes out. Just squeeze these little tabs here, boop, and it just flops open and you can reach it right through there. And that's it. That'll save you. And then just clip back in there. Clips back in, loose. Anyways, that's a time saver. I had before I came over and did this side, I was up inside here. Get up here. I was up inside here getting frustrated. Couldn't get my hand in there to undo it. I couldn't quite reach in there to get that, but I got there. I was cut the old one out and just fished that one through there. I got this all tied up, and I noticed that little panel up in there. So pop that panel off. It'll save you, I don't know, probably save you a lot of broken parts, because I probably would have broke something trying to get my hands in there to get that out. So little tip for you. That's all there is to that. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest of it. It's gonna be just like this side. That took a whopping That probably took 15 minutes tops. So swap both those out. It's pretty easy. All you need is a 10mm socket or ratchet. Yeah, you need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. You need a 22mm socket to get your wheels off. A jack. A little more patience than me. And you should be fine. Should be just fine. I would show you the warning I'm getting, but it's intermittent. When I started up, bring it over to this side, it didn't pop up. And I'm not gonna just drive it around until it pops up. That's boring. I got things to do today. You just have to trust me. It says Stabilitrak, or it says Service Stabilitrak. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully this fixes it. I can put it on there, drive it around again. I don't know if it's gonna come right now or not. So take my word for it. If there's anything wrong with it, I will come back and update that. But for now, I'm just gonna put the other side on. And then I think that's it. I think it's gonna be it for this video. It's pretty easy. So if you have the Stabilitrak, you need to swap out your real speed sensors. That's how you do it. It's pretty dang easy. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, both sides. Under an hour, you should have it pop and swap, ready to rock. So appreciate you guys showing up. That's it. Appreciate you guys, as always, for checking out my videos. Been 1 year. Still doing it. Shocking. So if you like it, hit that like button, comment down below. I really enjoy your comments. And then subscribe. Of course, subscribe. Most people watch my videos don't subscribe, so maybe they just don't like them. I don't know. Anyways, that's it. We'll talk to you guys later.